brutally beaten in the 4th Avenue jail by another inmate just reached a multi-million-dollar settlement with the county. They're going to get about $12 million.
18-year-old Brian Ortiz was beaten into a coma of May of 2020, and video shows Maricopa County Sheriff's Office deputies did not respond for nearly 2 hours. Holly Bach talked with the victim's mother and the lawyer representing the family. Holly, what did they say?
Jamie, Jared, Brian Ortiz suffered a brain injury after being punched and stomped in the head more than 40 times by another inmate. It took 1 hour and 46 minutes after the attack for the MCSO staff to get him on a gurney and taken to the hospital. I broke down the security camera footage, but want to warn you, this video is disturbing.
This isn't like he won the lottery or something. He's going to require medical treatment for the rest of his life. He's going to have no future, no earning potential.
Security cameras inside the 4th Avenue jail show this brutal attack by this man, Xavier Fragoso. He has a violent history, multiple felonies, and assaults. At 7:41 in the morning, Fragoso began beating Ortiz. He continues, though Ortiz looks like he has stopped responding. At 8:01, guards did security walks but did not see Ortiz seizing. More than an hour later, staff noticed something was wrong with Ortiz. At this point, more than 20 staff members appear and Ortiz is carried out.
It's like, where were these people? What were they doing when he was actually being attacked and in the aftermath after that?
Tony Piccuta is the lawyer representing Ortiz and his mother. He says Ortiz's unit allowed for 3 inmates to be out of their cells unsupervised. Piccuta says Ortiz did not belong in that level of custody. He was in for a probation violation, originally charged with assault on a law enforcement officer.
When you go into custody, you lose a lot of rights. They have a responsibility to make sure that the inmates there are safe. They still have rights under the law and the Constitution, and we believe those rights were violated.
In a statement, Maricopa County Sheriff Paul Penzone says jails are inherently dangerous. He goes on to say, although MCSO meets or exceeds national best practices, the subsequent delay in our recognition of the event and engagement to provide aid occurred due to human and operational shortcomings. The officers involved did not violate any MCSO policy, and it would be unfair to blame our officers as the complexities of their job do not allow for human error. Sheriff Penzone adds he is looking to expand staffing and adding artificial intelligence technology.
She felt like she had lost part of her life.
Ortiz's mother, according to the lawsuit, was never told by MCSO her son had been attacked. Instead, 8 days later was contacted by the hospital. Staff asked her for permission to take her son off life support. She refused.
She didn't want to do Brian's case based on a settlement. She just wanted the state to realize how people are getting treated in there.
This week, the Maricopa County Sheriff's Office settled with Ortiz and his mother for $11.75 million.
And right now, Ortiz is learning to walk again. He's in a 24-hour extended living facility. At the time of this incident, Ortiz was 18. He had been in that jail for a few weeks and was set to be released in 6 months. We posted Sheriff Paul Penzone's full response to the incident on our website, azfamily.com. Jared?
Holly